I want to mention that sometimes you can buy your domain name and your hosting from the same company, or you can buy them from separate companies.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
What are the pros and cons? So where I actually buy domain names and hosting in different companies. I buy domain names in GoDaddy.com because I've always done that, and they have great deals. Like you can literally buy a domain for $1 or something. If it's your first domain, so often hosting companies give you a free domain if you get their hosting. But because I already have domains, for me it's just easier because all my domains are managed in GoDaddy.com, and I can get them for like $1, even though the list price is like 12 or 13, which is not an expensive thing anyway. But if you get them all from one company, you don't have to configure them, because there's a configuration step which is a little bit cumbersome and confusing if you get them from two different companies, because you have to actually play around with the settings, and for many people for whom it's their first website, they have to contact support and do this. It's a little bit confusing. It's still confusing for me because I only do this kind of rarely, once a website, right? And I don't set up that many new websites, so I do this rarely, maybe once a year, maybe once every 2 years. So I forget how to do it. So every time it's kind of new. And so it's kind of an annoying one-time thing that you do in the beginning, is basically configure the domain and the hosting if you bought them in different companies. So those are the considerations of buying them in different companies or the same.